Hello students, welcome to the solutions and colligative properties, and in this lesson I will teach you the fourth colligative property, that is osmotic pressure. Before going to the osmotic pressure, we should know two concepts, that is what is meant by semi-permeable membrane and osmosis. So first, what is semi-permeable membrane? It is a substance. Semi-permeable membrane is a substance which allows only solvent molecule is called as semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. It doesn't allow solute particles, it allows only solvent molecules. It is a substance and it is selectively allows the passage of only solvent molecules, is called as semi-permeable membrane. Then next is osmosis. What is osmosis? Osmosis is a continuous, spontaneous, unidirectional flow of solvent molecule to the solution, or the solution of lower concentration, or solution of lower concentration to the solution of higher concentration. It is a continuous, osmosis is continuous, spontaneous, unidirectional flow of solvent molecule into the solution or solution of lower concentration to the solution of higher concentration. Through a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Look at this diagram. It is a net flow of solvent to the solution through a semi-permeable membrane. This is a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. Continuous, spontaneous and unidirectional flow of solvent to the solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Or continuous, spontaneous, unidirectional flow of solution of lower concentration to the solution of higher concentration through semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. Is it clear? Semi-permeable membrane is a substance which allows only solvent or lower concentration solution. It is a semi-permeable membrane and this is a solvent and this is a solution, or solution of lower concentration or solution of higher concentration. Okay, then osmotic pressure. Third concept is osmotic pressure, that is colligative property. Osmotic pressure. The hydrostatic pressure hydrostatic pressure which stops the process of osmosis, is known as osmotic pressure. The hydrostatic pressure which stops the osmosis, that is, which stops the flow of solvent to the solution through semi-permeable membrane, is called as osmotic pressure, and it is denoted as pi, and pi is equals to H into rho into G. Pi is equals to osmotic pressure is equals to H into rho into G, where H is height of liquid column, then rho is density of solution, and G is acceleration due to gravity. So osmotic pressure, the hydrostatic pressure which stops the osmosis, is known as osmotic pressure. It is denoted as pi, and pi is equals to H rho into G, where H is the height of liquid column, rho is density of solution, and G is acceleration due to gravity. Of vapor pressure, there are three types of solutions. First is a isotonic solution, second is hypertonic solution, and third one is hypotonic solutions. So first we'll see what is meant by isotonic solutions. Two or more solutions having same osmotic pressure are said to be isotonic. Iso means same. Two or more solutions having same osmotic pressure are said to be isotonic solutions. For example, 0.1 molar urea and 0.1 molar sucrose solution and urea, which having same concentration, they exerts same osmotic pressure, and so these two solutions, 0.1 molar urea and 0.1 molar sucrose, are isotonic solutions. Then next is hypertonic. Hyper means higher. If two solutions having unequal osmotic pressure, the more concentrated solution with higher osmotic pressure is said to be hypertonic solution. And example is Example, 0.1 molar sucrose and 0.05 molar urea. In this case, sucrose has higher concentration, that is 0.1 molar, so it exerts osmotic pressure is osmotic pressure is higher, and so sucrose solution is hypertonic solution. Okay, urea has less osmotic pressure. Then hypotonic solution. Hypotonic, the more dilute solution having lower osmotic pressure is said to be hypotonic solution. In this example, 0.05 molar urea is dilute than the 0.1 molar sucrose. So 0.05 molar urea is hypotonic solution. So according to the vapor pressure, type of solutions are three types, that is isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic. Isotonic, they have same osmotic pressure. Hypertonic, the solution which having higher osmotic pressure is said to be hypertonic, and hypotonic, it has lower osmotic pressure. And example is 0.1 molar sucrose and 0.05 molar urea. Okay, thank you.